Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel, and by the title of this video you guys already know I am unboxing the April 2018 IPSY bag. This is my second time trying to record this because, as you guys can see, I'm having a rough day, but getting back to the topic of this video, I'm not too happy with my bag this month because there's products in here that I specifically said I didn't want and they still added them. You guys will tune in and see what products are those, but please don't forget to like and subscribe to my channel, and let's get straight to unbagging this. Straight away, I just want to let you guys know that this bag is one of my favorite bags that I have received from IPSY so far. Like, these butterflies are really cute. I love how detailed it is. This is definitely like a bag that I gravitate towards when I'm at a store shopping. Like, these are the kind of bags that I love having around. The design is really cute. Looking at the card, it says Social Butterfly IPSY April 2018. I'm going to set that to the side. And starting off on a good note, I want to show you guys something that I did appreciate receiving in my box and my bag this month, which is the Steve Laurent blush in the color Rose All Day. I did swatch it here so you guys can take a look. It is a really mauvey rosy pink, which are definitely up my alley. And I really like the packaging. It is like a taupe, nice taupey sleek packaging, which I really like, and it has a mirror, and there we go, you guys can see me. But I like the color of this blush. It is really nice. It is very soft, and this is something that I actually like receiving in any bag, and I did give a good review on my last month's blush, so I'm happy they added another one this month. Next product that I have here is a Once Finishing Cream from Knots. It is a SPF 30. I believe this is a sunscreen. Oh, it is a sunscreen. It is really small. Let me see if the camera will pick up on the design. There we go. It is a very small sunscreen. To be honest, this is quite small, and to see this hardly has any product. I could probably see that it's like right there. I'm not too happy about receiving this. This is one of the reasons why I was like iffy about IPSY back then, that extremely small sized samples, and this is one of them. But I will throw it in my purse, and if I ever need to, you know, lather on some sunscreen, which apparently now that the summer is getting close, we are definitely going to be needing these. Next product that I see in here that I am happy to be receiving is this Luna single eyeshadow in the color Spiced Pumpkin. Ooh, I haven't seen this one yet. I have tried their highlighters in previous bags, and I think their highlighters are amazing. Oh, wow. This is a really cute color. I don't know if the camera will pick up on it. I will swatch it for you right now, and excuse the janky nails. I just had tacos. I'm sorry. That is what the color of it looks like. I'm going to give it a quick swatch. Ooh, it is really pigmented. Look how nice that color is. That is the color Spiced Pumpkin by Luna Cosmetics. I really like Luna, so this is definitely something that IPSY got a good point with me. I'm happy to be getting this. Next product that I'm pulling out here is the product that actually got me a little upset with my bag this month, which is the NYX Soft Matte Lip Cream. This is what the outside of it looks like, and I got it in the color Stockholm. The reason I'm not happy with this is because I recently went on my IPSY account, and I did go on to upgrade my preferences or upgrade my profile, and I decided to click on that one button that said that you're not happy with the sizes or something with their bag. So I decided to click it out of curiosity, and it started showing me all the spoilers for upcoming months, and it was giving me the choice to choose what I did and what I didn't want in upcoming bags, just to kind of, it wasn't like securing anything, but it was kind of like testing out my preferences. And this NYX lip cream came up, and I said I did not want it. No way. That I just didn't want it. I just didn't call out to me, and what do you know, they added it in my next bag. So that did leave me with the thought of, like, do they really care about our preferences? Do they really stick to profiling and all that? I'm not sure, but I'm not too happy about this. Nothing against NYX Cosmetics. I have had this exact same lip cream before. I think I got it at a swap meet. I'm not sure. And I did enjoy it. It is a good formula. But NYX at the moment is not something that I'm gravitating to. It wasn't something that I really wanted or that I wanted to try. I do love their eyeliners, but this is just something I didn't want in my bag. I mean, I could go get this anywhere. And it's just something, I just wanted to try new things, and I wasn't happy that they went against my wishes and threw this in, I guess. I'm sorry about that quick rant. But last but not least, a product that I'm also very excited to be receiving is the Trust Fund Beauty That Liquid Glow Though liquid highlighter. Does it have a color? Oh, I think I got it in the color Lit. And that is what the outside of the packaging looks like. Opening it up, I do want to swatch it for you guys. I'm happy to be receiving this. Actually, when I saw this, I'm like, wow, I'm actually surprised that they wanted to add this in my bag. Because I saw other people getting eyeliners and all that stuff, and I was kind of jealous. I was like, dang it, I wanted that Altair eyeliner. Ooh, okay. So I guess this is as good as it's going to get with opening it. I'm going to swatch it on my other hand. Ooh, let me see. This is really nice. It is more on the subtle side, I guess. Or, oh wait, no, you know what? That's kind of blinding. Never mind, I take that back. But look how nice that is. That is super, super nice. I really like that. Ooh, and it already dried down. It dries really, really fast. But this is something that is definitely going to suit my skin tone. I really like it. I think it's going to suit anyone. This is definitely a plus for me for this bag. I did have to squeeze it really hard though to get product out, just FYI. What are my overall thoughts on this month's IPSY bag? It was so and so for me. I was not happy with the sunscreen, and I was not happy with the NYX lip cream. Other than that, the other products were amazing. I am super impressed. Just this month was kind of like a womp womp for me. I wasn't like blown away. I'm hoping next month they will take me more into consideration when I update my preferences and not add these kind of things to my bag that I say I don't want. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my video. I didn't want to make such a negative video either. I'm sorry about that, you guys. Just sometimes I'm a little bit of a drama queen, I know. But with that being said, thank you guys so much for watching my video. Please don't forget to like and subscribe, and I will catch you guys in the next one. Bye.